Here's my honest take on the X Factor. If you've ever stared at your phone wondering whether to text your ex, replaying every moment, asking, is it really over or is there still a chance? This program was made for that moment. Breakups don't just hurt, they shake your identity. Sleep feels off, food tastes different, your playlists become landmines. Whether you're a man or a woman, that empty space where they used to be can feel unbearable. The X Factor is an online program created by relationship coach Brad Browning. It's a step-by-step roadmap that helps you process the breakup, stop pushing your ex further away, and, if it's healthy for both of you, rebuild the connection from a stronger place. There are two versions of the X Factor, one tailored for women who want their boyfriend or ex-husband back, and one tailored for men who want their ex-girlfriend or ex-wife back. Same core process, but adapted to how your partner tends to think, react, and feel. At the heart of the X Factor is a simple but powerful three-step framework: recovery, getting your emotions and dignity back; rekindling, slowly rebuilding a safe, positive rapport; reattraction, creating a fresh spark based on who you've become, not begging for who you were. When we're scared of losing someone, we usually do the opposite of what works: desperate texts, long emotional paragraphs, random late-night calls, trying to convince them. The program shows you why that pushes them away and what to do instead. Step 1 is not spamming your ex. It's getting you back. The X Factor walks you through a recovery phase, calming the emotional storm, rebuilding your confidence, and creating some respectful space so your ex can actually start to miss you again. Once you're steadier, the program shows you how to reopen the connection gently without pressure, guilt, or drama. That might mean short, neutral messages, shared memories, or light check-ins that feel natural, not needy. The goal isn't to drag your ex back into the same relationship that broke. It's to build something better. The X Factor helps you understand what went wrong, shift the patterns that made them pull away, and slowly become someone they want to move toward again. Inside, you get a core guide, audio lessons, and extra mini manuals. They walk you through what to do in the first days, how to handle social media, what to say if they reach out, and how to know whether trying again is truly a good idea. Important: this isn't about manipulating, stalking, or ignoring boundaries. If your ex has clearly said no or the relationship was abusive, the healthiest choice may be to let go completely. The X Factor emphasizes respect, self-worth, and only pursuing reconnection when it's safe and mutual. No program can honestly guarantee your ex will come back, and any that say they can are lying. The X Factor offers realistic hope. It gives you tools that improve your chances, help you stop making painful mistakes, and leave you stronger whether you get back together or not. On the site, you'll see stories from people who used the framework to rebuild trust, stop hurting each other, and in many cases, start over as a better couple. Others used it to get closure and walk away with peace instead of regret. Maybe you've already begged, blown up their phone, or said things you regret. The program is built with that in mind. It shows you how to stop the damage, reset the tone, and slowly replace those negative interactions with healthier ones. If you're tired of guessing what to do next, click the official X Factor link in the description. Choose the version for your situation, whether you're trying to win back a man or a woman, and go through the material step by step instead of improvising from pain. Imagine looking back a few months from now, grateful that you stopped reacting from panic and started using a plan. Maybe you're back together, stronger than before. Maybe you've moved on, knowing you did everything you could in a healthy way. Either way, you'll be proud you chose clarity over chaos.